Hi, hello, hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, this is my first time nga makikistorya ninyo nga inaani, manaa sa hinani nga lugar. And, karon kay Domingo man, walay klase, Lunes. Way klase kay holiday ba? Ambot basta way klase. And I'm gonna share my song. Ang lisuat nga song. Ang title niya kay Araw-Araw. And nakalimutan ko sa laing nga lyrics niya. Di sad ko singer, so pumati na lang mo, okay? Parang isot ay natuyo rin sa kay dami na ng ating pinagdaanan.
Stop the cap.
Okay. Stop na. Wait. Ano niya siya? Journal. So, ato siya i-reminisce. Ato siya basahan. So, ano siya? As you can see, that's my name. Nay nakasuot sa boss. Fun. March Masaya. So, February 22, 2025, hashtag March Masaya. And 2026 na karon. So, hapit na nimo ko sa katuig. Katusahan ha, March Masaya. Okay. Now that February is almost done and March is fast approaching, can't stop thanking God that I survived almost the whole February. Another month after 6 days. 2025 have given me sadness and pains. Well, it's just the beginning of 2025, so I'm hoping that this March and the rest of the year will be filled with joy and happiness. There's so much to come this year. On March 13 to 14, we will be having our fourth and final exams. On April 14 or 15, we will be having our moving up ceremony. Finally, after how many years in elementary, in junior high school, I will be a soon senior high school student, and once I graduate in senior high school, I'll be a college student close to my dreams. As I come closer to my dreams, I also come closer to my goals. My dreams are also my goals to achieve. I can do everything I knew, with God beside me always. So yeah, her reaction, di siya cringy basahon, pero nakuan lang ko kayo. Di lang sad kay siya murag ako jud ba, like kay kung ako magud magsuot ko og kanang mga diary journal or kanang mga thoughts na ako magsuot kay ko taas yun kay na siya like sa kaban paper back to back inana. Pero kung ako na siya ibalhin sa notebook, ako na siya pa-move on, piliun ako ang mga importante. So ano siya, so wala okay ra. This is a good. Is it good? Sige, yeah. February 22, 2025 gihapon. So, thoughts niya. It's raining, and as I hear the raindrops, can't stop but to wonder. I wonder what my future has for me, what life has for me to experience, what God prepared me for. I'm facing such challenges as a preparation for my future. God prepared me today for tomorrow. I don't know, but our teacher have always told us that we haven't already stepped the world or the reality of life. So yeah, kay hinumdum ko atong grade 10 ko, kaya karong grade 11 naman ko. Atong grade 10 ko, among maestra sa math, so siya na ang bata pa kay mo pamangani mo sa kanang tinuod jud nga kinabuhi. I mean, tinuod mo sad siya like dili pa tanan or kami di pa mi ana nga sa point nga kinahanglan na manarbaho. Di ba lahi man jud ang life sa manarbaho ka o sa estudyante ka. Pero yeah, ito sad siya. Di lang nila ko basahon ang Little Hopes. So, marilang ka sa ACAD goals. Di ba daw kay ka? Hashtag. Ina Wonders. Little Hopes. And then, ACAD goals. Ato ba sa ng ACAD goals? Okay. We have just finished our third quarter examination. And I'm very much nervous about my grades, hoping I could get at least a 96 average grade and would be honor in our class. I have written this to 22-25. And then 3/17/2025. So February, March. So March 17 ang reply. Ang tubag. Sorry Wena, you haven't made it, pero congrats honor gihapon ka. I mean with high honor man gihapon ka. So murag nito sad siya like the power of manifestation, power of believing and trusting God. So katuo na ako gid na replyan ang kani. Natubagan jud ako nga, you made it. Hashtag pagipilaw si Wena. Sana. February 27, 2025. Hello. Gabi na pero wa pa ko nakatug. Nagidahigda naman unta ko pero wa man ko pilawa. Sige na huna kung unsaon para makakwarta. Hahaha. Para mo dato. Karon my plans have changed na. Before, I wanted to go to college right after na ako mag-graduate sa high school. Pero karon magtrabaho na lang ko iguman senior high school para makatigong kwarta pang eskwela kay why makapaskwela na ako. Galisod naman gani ko nga. Galisod naman gani ko karon pa lang. Pero if give it a chance, why not, diba? Pero mangita gyapon nagway para maka-extra income. Hehe. Dili man ni sa pag-ingon nga naong kog kwarta. Dili lang jud ta mabuhig way kwarta. Kay lisod ka ayo. Okay, atrabasa na ka. Pero if given the chance, why not, diba? Pero mangita gyapon nagway para maka-extra income. Hehe. Dili man sa pag-ingon nga naong kog kwarta. Dili lang jud ta mabuhig way kwarta, lisod kayo. Sa number na sagutan. Ganahan sa draba kong negosyo, char. Pero ambot ay kapuya magsuwat eh. Awagod ng agyo, ano nagkadimao. Oh. So, pinakalas na ko nga suwat ani kay August wagtang na August 27. August 27 wa siya hashtag. August 27 2025 tas wa siya hashtag. Hi world, it's already August 27. Hapit na mag-ber months. Pasko na sad. And I forgot I'm already in grade 11. Guys, it's almost been 3 months since the school year have started and we've already finished our first quarterly examination and I'm hoping to have a high grade. Unta na sa grado. Unta. It's enough. To prove myself and to prove them wrong of thinking wrong about me. Hashtag right track baby, I was born this way. I'm not kidding. Right track baby, I was born this way. Ano ko nagsuwat. Pero na-busy jud ko sa academic and kalimtan na ako ang pagsuwat. Pero na ako'y muni ang likod. Ay. Kung ni siya, notebook din siya ang gihatag sa gobernador nga rin sa Cebu. So, muna siya. Di na kayo pakita ang naong ha, pero muna ang nasa likod na yung nakasuwat. So, ako basahan gyapon. Journalism. You are not the story, you're just the storyteller. You're the person you want to be. Wena, kaya mo yan. Ako rasay mag-motivate nimo kayo. Makabuhat para nimo. Ha? O kagets. Pero, kini siya, Hiraya Bay. CD, Adi, Lalong, Tisha, SPC, Souls, and Jason. Nito siya itong ano man ang pagsubok na aking harapin, mananatiling sakto ba taon to, no? Ikaw ang amo na siya. Kahit saan ka mampatungo, liliwanag ang ambot ko kung saan siya nga to eh. So, wena. And, so, basahan. Wondrous Ina. But grow in the grace and knowledge of our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. 2 Peter chapter 3 verse 18. First page. Ayaw ni. 2024 din siya. 2024. Ang usa 2025 kanito. Wapa ko sa 2026. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Well, I am. I'm always. Tapos parenthesis, pretending I am. Sure. I'll tell you something about me. I done strung along, going this way and that. Whatever way would lead me to a moment of peace. That's all I want, to be as easy as everything. But I wasn't born to that. Char, paano siya ka na sinuwat sa mga na. Okay. 11, 24, 24. Ganahan dyan ko ang mga 24, 24. Mga inanan like 1-1 sale. Hashtag song lines 101. So, pag naan niyo ha. First, never rich, so we were out to make that steady figure. Unsa man na siya? 3, 2, 1. 7 years old. Napa? I'd love again. Oh, I know I'd love again after a long while. I know I'd love again after a long, long while. I'd love again. It's Beautiful Girl by Jose Marie Chan. My idea for a perfect Christmas is to make it with Jose Marie Chan gyapon kay this November naman eh. So hapit ng Pasko ani. Going back to corner where I first saw you. The Man Who Can't Be Moved. So uso kay ni siya nga time atong 2024. Uso kay The Man Who Can't Be Moved. You know I can't fight the feeling. You know I can't fight the feeling. Char, it's One Direction's Right Now. Okay. So it's One Direction's Right Now. My favorite band is One Direction. Share ko lang. Loving Can Hurt. Tas Loving Can Hurt. Can Heal. So it's Ed Sheeran. Stop Before You Start Falling. Foolish Heart. Somebody told me you're leaving. I didn't know. Can you be the one? Ako rin answer. Sus. Mga nakarami ako nakitaan. This is what I have. Ang saman. So ako, what I have found. Look what I found. So, letter ni siya gihatag ni Darlene. Atong graduation. Atong moving up na mo. So, letter. Yeah, from Wena to Darlene. Pero naani siya kauban. Ni gihatag ni niya atong April 14 katong nag-moving up ni pero nani siya kauban nga more siya kanang keychain gani or something nga nice gamay nga more siya og frame sad sa picture nga gamay kaayo tas naa siya gidrawing tas iya ko gidrawing pero dili kay siya kanang conjud nga kanang more realistic basta iya gidrawing more animation tas yang isud ngadto tas motong kauban ani tas sa likod kay calligraphy sa ako nga hi Wana, thank you for being a part of my high school life, my high school journey. Thanks to you and to Nelson also. You both prove that friendship is not about how many amount of money you have. It's not about how many a person have. I'm grateful and thankful for having friends just like you two. I'm surely gonna miss our bands and memories, especially the days where we tell stories and talk about each other's lives and problems, especially our runs in life. I will never forget how you asked me a lot about who's the singer of the songs. And also the stupid grade 10 research. Hahaha. The computer lab versus innocent girls. Maybe in another time of our lives we will meet each other again. I am sure we will encounter each other again, hoping that when we became adults like 20 plus, hahaha, we will still recognize each other's faces. You really are the one who really had a sense of humor, and you also had sometimes your practical and sarcastic tone. But that part of you is mesmerizing and also cool. I'm happy ka inaapil ko sa inyo sa circle of friends. I do really value that friendship. Thank you Wena sa pagpaminaw sa akon kabuang sa akon ka marites and saran sa akon life. You were such a good listener, a very good comforter. I'm very happy that I meet you guys and became one of your friends. Pasensya iga letter akon ikahatag nimo, but here in this letter I put my efforts. More blessings coming to your way, wishing that God will give you a healthy and successful future. Mahal kita, mahal ka namin, Naljan. Laban lang sa life. Just don't let struggles in life break your dreams. Fight the challenges, never give up. Thank you so much. Amping. From oh my gosh. So, ikapilanin na ako gibasa. Like, ikapila na, sometimes kung laayon ko, ako rin ablihan nga rin ako mga gamit kang ipang hipusan, and then makita nila ako, and then basahon na ako, and then this is very very nice. Like classmate man gyapon mi ni kuan ni Darlene, pero si Neljin wala na, kay ni transfer naman siya. Pero yeah, but I guess nalay na bago na ako kay, di ba, it seems to the letter nga kuan ko tabian, pero karon di na ko tabian, hilumon ako. Bitaw, like karon sa una sabaan mo gid ko, karon mo kuan na lang ko, magtabian na lang ko, or saba-saba na lang ko sa mga tao nga close na ako, kay the more you talk, the more trouble, di ba? So kana lang, less talk, less trouble. Ana istorya ka sa mga close ra nimo. Maybe maura tong atong topic karon, no, adjud ko mahuna-hunaan kung unsa jud akong i-video. And katulang anay, katulang anay, katulang anay, katulang anay, katulang anay, katulang anay. So unta giganahan mo ato sa lami. Ganahan na lang mo ato, sige. Tando na lang, di ba, nindot at the video, nindot at the video, tando na lang para may kubot. Yeah, moro to. And hopefully giganahan mo, and ganahan pa mo makita ang mga videos in the future. So like and subscribe. Bye.